in today's video, I want to share with you the one thing that actually shifted everything for me, and I turned $700 into $1 million life. So let's dive deeper. And I also want to mention, in few days, I have my birthday, and therefore I'm giving 50% off from all my masterclasses, my programs, and actually there is one spot, one-on-one container for coaching with me with 50% discount. If you resonate, you can find everything in description below. How did I actually turn $700 into $1 million lifestyle? And this is the one thing that pretty much can sum up everything. So if you are brand new here and you never heard my story, I'm going to give you recap. I moved to US with just $700 and big American dream. With broken English, I was able to actually successfully create very successful law firm. I graduated law school in the US, become licensed attorney, started my own business, basically moved $20 million plus and helped so many different companies and businesses really create purpose-driven business in the US. I was able to manifest love of my life, my family, my beautiful daughter, and my lifestyle. And the one thing that I actually want to give you, the one thing that helped me to do all of it is embodiment. Embodiment of my new self. Embodiment of that woman that I wanted to be way before I actually was able to see it in my reality. Because that woman who is already living in abundance, that woman who is already having it all, that woman who is already experiencing wealth and prosperity, that woman who is experiencing love, that woman who is living in that beautiful $1 million house, that woman who is literally experiencing the wildest dreams in 3D reality already exist. That woman is real. That woman already is here, but you just don't see her yet. You don't see it in 3D reality as confirmation, but that woman is real. And when I understood this, I was able to actually embody that frequency. And that frequency did everything for me. And this is actually the key in manifestation, because it doesn't matter if you're using the affirmations, if you're using scripting, if you're using meditation as a tool and you are not feeling like her, you're not gonna manifest that reality. What you really manifest is based on that frequency, which is based on that feeling, which is that based on what you think about you and what you feel about you. So the embodiment means that you truly embody that next version of you, and you live like her, you act like her, you behave like her, no matter what are the circumstances. No matter what are the circumstances. And I still remember the day, like it was yesterday, when I was actually preparing for the bar exam, studying to be a licensed attorney, and I had these cockroaches crawling around me. And I was living in this tiny, tiny apartment in New York, in Queens, Astoria. And I was dreaming about my life. And then right after I graduated, right after I passed the bar, I was a woman who did not have any prior experience, but I decided back then that I'm going to be successful. I decided to step into that identity, and I was doing everything from that identity. And after I actually lost my business, my first company, and I do talk about this in my book, Love is the Law, I decided that the second business that I'm building is going to be business that is absolutely aligned with my soul, meaning it is serving me so I can expand, I can actually enjoy life to the fullest. And that exactly happened. I was able to build a successful company, successful law firm that was serving foreign immigrants and that brought over $20 million to the US. I'm sharing this with you because it's not important where you are today. I'm sharing this with you because the circumstances don't matter. My circumstances were not easy. I had to overcome so many challenges, from figuring out the visa, the green card, the permanent residency, to learning the language, to then getting a license to practice law, to then starting my own business because nobody would hire me, to then building that business, scaling that business, then manifesting my husband. And it was a challenge after challenge that was showing me that nothing is impossible. when you trust in that invisible, not in that visible, into that invisible, because that invisible holds that potential for your life. And it doesn't matter what you are or what you see around you in this moment, as long as you trust, as long as you have that vision, as long as you know in your heart that this is your truth, this is your reality. And then when you decide to step into this new reality, is when everything started to shift for you. But in order to step into this new reality, you have to trust that you deserve this life. You deserve to be surrounded by abundance and wealth. You deserve to receive the best life possible. You deserve to live beautiful life full of love, harmony, freedom, joy, wealth, prosperity. You have to decide this is your life. And it doesn't matter if you have money in your bank account. It doesn't matter if you are single or in relationship, because what matters is that who you decide to be, who you decide to be. And as a result of that, how are you going to think? How are you going to feel? How are you going to act today? Not tomorrow, not next year, not when all the ducks are in a row. Like, you got to decide now. This is the true embodiment. The true embodiment is to trust in the invisible and act like her and feel like her no matter what. So it is about shifting that identity, but not just shifting that identity on intellectual level, but also shifting that feeling about who you are. And that is actually rooted in self-love. Self-love is the key. Self-love and self-acceptance is the key. This is the cornerstone of this work. And I talk about it in my book, Love is the Law. That's why it's called Love is the Law, because love is the law, is the universal law that is actually guiding and governing everything in our existence. You cannot manifest the life of your dreams if you don't allow that beautiful life to manifest in front of your eyes. You are the one who is doing it. You are the one who is actually creating that abundance and wealth and love and freedom. And you are the one also who is creating the opposite. You are the one who is creating that scarcity, that lack. And maybe not consciously, maybe this is all subconscious, but this video is here to wake you up and to show you what's possible. Because if girl from Slovakia with limited resources, difficult circumstances, could turn that dream into reality, and now she's living proof of that dream, that it was once just dream, invisible dream, in invisible reality, in 5D, if you will. If she can do it, what is your excuse? So I invite you to go all in. And with my upcoming birthday, this is for me, like, I'm feeling a shift. I'm feeling like there is a shift. I'm stepping up. I'm actually opening different door to different portal, if you will. And I'm inviting you to do the same. Decide for you to change your life today based on your identity shift. You can find all the resources below in the description. And of course, I welcome all your questions, your comments, and I will see you in my next video.